Good morning all of you, class 2 Pine. Good morning and happy new year. Very happy new year beta. Are you ready? I can't understand beta. Are you ready for not? Previous class over beta. Are you ready for the computer class? Class 2 Pine. Reply me, Nihan. Okay, very good. Can you hear me? Okay, very good, very good. Purbayon, Shrestha, Devajyoti, okay, fine. Okay. Okay, Nihan, fine. Now, very good morning and very happy new year, you all. Okay, let's start now. You all know the previous class means before the winter vacation. We have started a new chapter, chapter number 6. Am I right? Let us paint. Let us paint. Okay, this chapter is okay, beta. Purbayon, okay. Good morning. And let us paint. How to open paint? So you all please take out your computer book and open page number 58. Let us paint. You all please take out your computer book and open page number 58. Okay. Let us paint. Previous class I already discussed that how to open paint, and I already discussed about the window of paint window. I'm discussing the parts of a paint window. Am I correct or not? Parts of a paint window I discussed in previous class, and I told the next class I will discuss from the tool. How to apply the tools in paint. How to apply the tools. How to apply. Yes, okay, fine, very good beta. Now I will discuss how to apply tools in paint for drawing. For drawing, how to apply. First I will discuss pencil tool. Pencil tool. Suppose this is the drawing area. This is the drawing area. There are the topmost bar. This is the title bar, and then is the tab, file tab, home tab, view tab, and then is the ribbon. There are the different groups are there. There are the tools group. There are colors groups, shapes groups. Okay, there are the different shapes are there. There are the shapes groups, colors groups, and there are different colors are there. Different groups are there, and there is a different tools are there. Pencil tool, eraser tool, fill with color tool, pick color tool. Okay, magnifier tool. Different tools are there, and these are under of the different groups. Okay. So how to apply pencil tool and why we use the pencil tool, I will discuss. First, how to apply the pencil tool. Pencil tool, first you have to bring the mouse pointer on the pencil tool. First you have to bring the pointer which tool you want to select. That means first you have to select the tool. Suppose you want to apply, you want to use the pencil tool, then you have to select the pencil tool. How to select the pencil tool? Bring the mouse pointer on the tool. And where is the pencil tool? Select the pencil tool. It is in under of the tools group. Pencil tool is present in the tools group. From the tools group, you just select the pencil tool. How to select? Bring the mouse pointer on the pencil tool and then press the left mouse button once. Press the left mouse button once means it is selected. If it is selected or not, how to understood that? If you can realize it, its color has been changed from the other tools. Okay, that means it is selected. After selection the tool, if you want to apply the colors, suppose you want to draw a flower. If you want to draw a flower on the drawing area, and then first you have to, yes beta, Nihan, I discussed beta already. I discussed all this. Title bar, quick access toolbar, control button, ribbons, drawing area. Am I correct, Nihan? Am I correct, beta? Previous class I already discussed. Okay. And now I am discussing. Okay, thank you. Do you have any doubt, any queries, beta? Then you can ask me. And now, after selection the pencil tool, you just choose the color from the colors group. you can choose the color from the color groups. And then after choosing the color, you just bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. You have to bring your mouse pointer in the drawing area, otherwise you cannot draw. You have to bring your mouse pointer on the drawing area. Then how to draw? Press the left mouse button, press it, hold the left mouse button and drag it. By dragging, you can draw. You suppose you have chosen the red color from here, and you can choose a pencil tool, and you just draw this one with the red color, and then change the color. Suppose you want to draw a leaf with green color, then choose the green color from here and draw this type of line and leaves. Okay, green. You can draw this flower using the pencil tool. Obviously, if you want to use the colors, you can use the color also. Using the pencil tool, you can draw anything, because pencil tool is used for free form drawing. Whatever you want to draw, you can draw using the pencil tool. Okay. Now pencil tool is used to draw free form lines or curves. Free form lines or curve. To use the pencil tool, I already told. Start the drawing picture by pressing, holding and dragging the left mouse button. How to draw? So that first you should know how to handle the mouse. Who can hold the mouse, who can handle the mouse properly, they can draw nicely. Because you have to hold the mouse properly. By holding and dragging, you can draw. So who can hold the mouse properly, they can draw nicely. Who cannot hold the mouse properly, they cannot draw nicely. Because pencil tool means you have to hold the mouse properly and you have to drag the mouse properly. How to move your mouse, left mouse button, by pressing the left mouse button. How to handle the mouse, you can get that type of drawing. Okay. Now after this, how to use the line tool. Now we will apply using the pencil tool. You can draw this type of flower in your home. Who have computer in their home, they all will practice this one, but using the pencil tool. Using the pencil tool, you all will draw this flower. Okay. What happened? Now, okay, beta. And now how to apply the line tool. This is the line tool. Where is the line tool? Line tool is under of the shapes group. Pencil tool was in the tools group. Now we want to apply line tool. Where is the line tool? Line tool is in under of the shapes. Line tool is under of the shapes group. Okay, why? Fine, beta. You have computer. Sujan, what happened, beta? Line tool is present in the shapes group. First, if you want to draw a line on the drawing area, you have to choose the line from the shapes group. In the shapes group, you just bring your mouse pointer on the line group and choose the line. First, select the line from the shapes group. Select the line from the shapes group. After selecting the line, you can choose the thickness of the line. Someone want to draw this line, thin line. Someone want to draw this type of line. And someone want to draw little bit thick line. And someone want to draw this type of line. So you can choose the line thickness from the size button. Before the color one button, there is a size button. Before the color one button, there is a size button. You can choose the thickness of the line from the size button. Shomagni? Okay, very good. Who have computer in their home, they all will practice. This is fully a practical related chapter. Okay. Snigdha, do you have computer in your home? Yes or no? Then you all will practice. I hope you all. No. Purpotushna, you don't have. You have laptop. Whatever computer do you have, if you have, then you will practice in your home. Okay, then you can practice. Samriddho, you don't have. No laptop, no desktop. Okay, if you don't have, then maybe your parents will help you to purchase this one. Now, okay, your father will give you. And now, using the size tool, first select the line from the shapes group, and then select the size from the size button. You just click the size button, there are the different thickness of the line it will shows, and whatever you require, which thickness you want to select, you just select this one. You just select this line from here, from the menu. From the different sizes line will appears. Whatever you require, you just select the thickness of the line from here, from the size button. And then if you want to apply the color, any colored line, then choose the color from the colors group, then choose the colors from the colors group, and then bring your mouse pointer on the drawing area. Then bring your mouse pointer. Okay, Purbayan, very good. You have, okay, who have, they all will practice. And now bring your mouse pointer on the drawing area, and then press the left mouse button, press it, hold it, and drag it from the beginning to end, how much you required. You just drag it, press the mouse pointer, hold down the left mouse button, press it and drag it. Suppose you require this much, and then release the left mouse button. You can see on the drawing area, this type of line will appears. Okay, and now then using the line tool, you can draw a house. Who have computer, they will draw a house using only the line tool. Using only the line tool, you will make a house in your computer. Okay, and now I will discuss curved tool. Now I will discuss curved tool. Where is the curved tool? Curved tool is present in the shapes group. There are the different tools are there. Line tool, curve tool, triangle, rectangle, square, and rounded rectangle. There are the different hexagon, pentagon. There are the different shapes are in under of the shapes group. If you want to draw a curved line, sometimes we need to draw a hill in our scenery. So using the curve tool, you can make a beautiful hill. Okay. Now how to apply the curve tool, and where is in the curve tool is present? Can you tell me where is the curve tool is present in which group? Quick reply. Curve tool is present in the which group? Yes, very good. Curve tool is present in the shapes group. Okay. And why you use to curve tool? The curve tool is used to draw a curved line. Why use the curve tool? Curve tool is used to draw a curved line. Okay. How to apply the curved line in our drawing? Now listen the steps how to draw. First, you have to select the curve tool from the shapes group. From the shapes group, you just select the curved tool. And after the selection the curve tool, you just select the color and required thickness. And if you feel that you need to change the thickness of the curved line, then you can choose the size thickness of the line from the size button. From the size line tool also we can apply the thickness of the line, and the curve tool also is a curved line. Okay, so we can choose the thickness of the curved line also from the size button. When you click on the size button, the different thickness will appear, and you can choose your desired thickness, which one you required. And after choosing the thickness of the curved line, and then choose the colors. Choose the colors from the colors box. Then choose the color from the color box. Okay, and then what you have to do? After choosing all these, you have chosen the tools which one you want to apply. You have chosen the thickness of the line, and you have chosen the color. Then you have to bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Then you have to bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Wherever after choosing all this tool, you have to bring the pointer on the drawing area, otherwise you cannot draw. Then after choosing, you just bring the mouse pointer from where you want to draw, and then press the left mouse button, hold it and drag it. Press the left mouse button, hold it and drag it how much you required. Okay, then you can draw this type of curved line in your drawing area. Okay, and click and drag the pointer to the to draw a line. Move the pointer to the point where you want to add. Move the pointer. Suppose sometime what happened, suppose you have made a house. Look, sometimes you need a this type of house you made, but roof you want to make like this. Okay, suppose you want to make this type of roof. Okay, kacha house. Okay, so how to make this one? Bring the pointer over here and then drag it how much you require, and after dragging you just click it and just do like that 2 times. You can do the changes of the like this. You just do curved. For carving you just do this one. Using the curve tool you can make this type of roof, and you can make the hills also using the curve tool. Okay, and you will see a curved line on the wherever you want to use apply. You can apply this tool, curve tool, and you can use this. Okay, and can you tell me that what is the and control button, and which inside the control button what buttons are there? In under of the control button, which buttons are present in the under of the control button? Quick reply. Control button, which button are present in under of the control button? Tell me the name of the control buttons. Quick. Now and next class I will discuss. Can you tell me quick? No one? In a control button there is a minimize, maximize and close. These are present in under of the control button. Minimize, maximize and restore down also over there. Okay, and now next class I will discuss from the brushes tool, how to apply the brush tool. And who have computer, they all will practice. Using the line tool you will make a house, and the pencil tool you will make a tree and flower, and using the curve tool you can make a kacha house or hill. Okay, this is your homework. In your home who have computer, they will practice this. And now I will take your attendance, and next class I will discuss from the brushes tool. Okay, from the brushes tool, next class how to apply the brushes tool I will discuss from the next day. Who are present, they all will write down name and P for that means present. Okay, present you will write P, that means you are present. I will take your attendance. Okay beta, quick. You all please write down P, that means you are present. Quick. Who have done this? I cannot take your name list. I cannot see your name list. What is going on beta? You just write down P, otherwise I cannot take your attendance. For today this much. See you next